Hello everybody, this is Techstack here. Just sending out the messages that we're streaming. Release now. And what we're going to do tonight, guys, is we're going to... I've already built the mod, so we've got a build. That build is on the server. It's been running on it all day successfully. There was only minor changes to it anyway, so I think we are ready for uploading it to CurseForge, right? So I'm gonna start that process. We're gonna get updated images for it. We're gonna get updated descriptions and everything. Okay, so Minecraft in modding. Sweet. Hey Fusion. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing tonight? So we aren't really gonna need Eclipse much tonight. I mean, we're gonna need it for this, because this is the release notes. But overall, we really need to get logged into CurseForge. So why don't I do that off screen here so my password's not on the stream. Authors CurseForge, that's not the right site. Oops. Better now. Had some shoulder pain and stuff, and I stayed away from the computer long enough. I think that it's tolerable now. We'll put it that way. I have issues with my shoulder, my left shoulder, when I sit at the computer too long. Okay, I am in here. We are on the mod page. If we go to images, we need to replace pretty much all these images because those are all potato quality. I mean, the loader hasn't looked that way in ages. And it's bad. Here, well, we'll keep them for the moment because we need to make sure we get an image of everything. Yeah, those are so outdated, man. What else? We need to get the description updated, right? We got a new picture to take. I think maybe this picture showing the new one. I don't know. I don't know what's gonna be the picture, but we can get a new one here. Basically, I want to entice people to download it again, right? The idea here is to update it more frequently. Hey, Fry.
Hello.
We're getting ready for release, Fry. I'm just gonna pull the trigger, because I realized a couple days ago now that CurseForge has a little review they do. It might take only an hour or two, but it might take longer too. I don't know. So I'm just gonna do it. There's nothing else I'm gonna change between now and tomorrow night. Right. And it'll be out for tomorrow night. Oh, awesome, Fusion. So files, I guess manage project, right?
Free game on Epic is pretty cool.
What is it?
Surviving Mars.
Ooh, you are not first, Reaper. You are second, sir. That's single player only, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like a city builder.
Yeah.
Basically, from what I can tell, it's like SimCity on Mars.
Gotcha. Reaper, fusion makes everything because all matter comes from stars. I am about to. We don't want to click on the delete. Is there a place for me to say where the wiki is? Oh, right there. Okay, so I can get that once I get the wiki itself. But let's go back. I guess file upload is what we want. Want to choose a file. Yeah, find it on my system. Choose file. Let me get the right folder, and then I'll come back over onto the screen. Maybe. Maybe not. He's not letting me do anything. Well, let me use multi-MC and get my instance folder, because that's the version we want. That's the one that's in here. Mods. Hey, Reaper.
Hello.
AKA second tonight.
Hello.
Third if you count Fiery coming into Discord.
Nah, I don't know what you're talking about. The message took way too long for it to get there. It's the
Well, it's not our fault you have slow internet.
What's it called? Diazale internet?
Get good, dude. No.
286
I
is
thought
the
you were going to say get back.
So that's got to be it. I do have a lot of folders. It's how I keep stuff organized. Everything has a folder. Basically, what's specify the name that'll be... What? Why did they cut it off? I can't see what it says. Inspect that element. What's it supposed to say? This is the name that'll be displayed on the site. Okay. I'm just gonna leave it as that because I'm fine with it being that because that's what it is. This is a beta release. Because I've always released them as betas at this point because we're always adding new content. We're going to put in the change log. Hopefully that formatted it. And it did not. Wonderful. That's awful. I gotta type all that again? For real? Come on, there's gotta be a way I can do the formatting on this thing, right? Paste. Nope. Block quote. Mark down. Okay, took it that way. Can I go back to WYSIWYG now? I don't care. Oh, dang it. I need Grammarly? What's that do?
It fixes the grammar errors in the misspelled words.
Well, aren't you Mr. Obvious? But what's special about that versus spell check? In my tools.
I think one's more expensive.
Oh. Craftable. We'll keep that one. Favor.
And I think Grammarly, I don't know.
Autocorrect your spelling. I get ads every time I watch YouTube. Huh? Okay, so supported versions of Minecraft. 1.12.2. And we're done. I don't want to say it's for any other version of 1.12. No other related projects. Ooh, I want to say it's Java 8. Let's say Java 8. It's the same as whatever I put before, and I can't remember what I put before. I think that's it, guys. Oh, Forge. I really hope that this stays formatted like this. If it doesn't, I'm going to have to edit it. That's annoying.
Well, this is what you get for jumping the gun.
Jumping the gun? I said before the... or by the 11th. This is by the 11th still, Fire.
Not in Korea.
Still by the 11th. By the end of the day on the 11th, it's still by the end of the day on the 11th in Korea. So, here you go. I'm uploading the build because I think there's going to be a review process on CurseForge. And I just want it to be there for tomorrow. So, I'm going to hit the big red button, guys.
No, don't do
oh, wait,
it. The
it's
world's
purple.
gonna blow up.
It's purple, I forgot.
Uh-oh. It's not going to upload.
Your file has been uploaded. It is processing. See, so no one can download it yet. Oh, that stinks, Fusion. Hopefully they're easy to fix release, or easier to fix bugs. Why does it say +2? Did I click the wrong thing? It says pre-alpha. Dang it. Can I edit it? No.
Once it's been done.
I really can't edit it. Dang it.
Just re-uploading it. That's alpha. And people will be like, but what's different about it?
Let's download it again. It's under review, see? I can download it. I can download it in the launcher. Which, by the way, everyone, have you seen the news? The Twitch launcher will not have FTB mod packs after the end of this month.
Oh no.
FTB and CurseForge have decided to part ways and are no longer going to be
Shut up, Reaper. Nobody asked you.
This is not formatted right. Dang it. And I can't edit it. Well, that stinks. Oh wait, I can't edit it. Ha ha ha!
It should have been this. It should have been like this from the start, Fiery.
What do you have against easiness?
It's not easy. It's actually harder for me.
Is the world not hard enough? Well, it's not our fault that you have a crap-tastic computer.
You don't like the Twitch launcher?
It doesn't work for me. I honestly have to download the packs and then just get those packs and put them in MC Edit, is it called? Or what's that thing we use? Multi-MC?
Yeah.
That's like the only way I can do the packs.
So why are you happy about having a different launcher that also may not work on your PC?
Because that's the only way I can download those packs from the Twitch. Or it's like the easiest way to download them from.
I'm still not following you, man.
I download the packs in Twitch, and then I get the files, and I make a new file in the multi-MC.
Right.
And I just keep everything there.
Help you?
And
not
because anytime I try to play any game in the Twitch launcher, it just doesn't work.
Oh, okay. So you want it to be easier in that regard. Gotcha.
It just doesn't work. It crashes.
You know what you didn't try? You know what you didn't try? The thing that'll make it work.
What was that, Tech?
The thing that'll actually make it work.
What?
Whatever that thing is, you didn't try that thing. That's why it didn't work.
I think I spent like 2 weeks trying to make it work, and it just didn't work.
But you know I'm right. That's why it didn't work.
Yeah, I know you're right.
Okay, let's get this image in there. If we can. Really? Can't paste the image in? Oh.
You should change that helicopter to an exploding one.
More action in it. Maybe get a site, I don't know, like Imager, just put this on, I guess. IMGUR. Gotta log into that site. I haven't been on there forever. Oh, I am logged in. Cool. New post. What happens when slime gets set on fire?
I smell like pomegranate.
Okay. Instance folder. Minecraft. Screenshots. Why do you smell like pomegranate?
It's my new body wash.
Oh. There we go. So now that I've got Imager open, we can drag that into there. Get that. Upload completed. Jump, 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 boy. Copy link. Then hit OK.
Does anybody know how to take a screenshot on a phone that is not a iPhone? I'll go Google it. Never mind.
You talking
Yeah.
Android?
I think it's like power down and
hit the power button and the home button at the same time.
one of us is right. Depends on your phone. On mine, I have no home button, so it's the volume button.
On mine, it's like I said, it's the home button and the power button at the same time.
Yeah.
I try the power and the volume, and it just crashes the phone.
The power button and the home button.
Yeah, try those. They do nothing.
Then yours is different.
I believe it's hold 3 buttons on your screen for 5 seconds, Eagle says. By buns, I'm assuming he means buttons, but buns is funnier. See, where's the...
Oh, it is what Fiery said, but you have to keep it down, hold down for a while. There we go.
See? One of us.
But it doesn't work. Oh, that does work. Never mind. Because I'm trying to take a screenshot. I'm trying to do a file for my work, but every time I click the start thing, it says that you have no task selected, so I can't start it.
Trying to find the right link here, guys. Copy link. Does that work? That does not work. Dang it. It might have just approved my thing, so add a notification up here. Alright, one more time. Image. Boom. Why does this work? You know, if I just go to the page on Imager and then right click it, copy image address, does that work? Because it's, yeah, .png. There, boom. It needed the .png after it. New update. Guys, center it. Can I scale this? I can. There. Can I center that? No. Awesome. Save changes. Okay, and then that's the video, which I guess doesn't apply anymore. Daily modding, yeah. What's our Discord link? Let's put that in there too. See if we can get more people in our test server Discord thing. Server settings. Invite people, there we go. Edit invite link. Expires never. Maximum number of users. No limit. Generate new link. Copy.
Pepe?
Pepe Le Pew. Join
Pepe.
our Discord to discuss the mod. Or join in on the early testing server. Sure, my wife wasn't messaging me. You can just use that code as well.
What's a stream voice role?
It means you have the ability to talk in the stream.
Oh.
Because not everyone does.
Reaper, I wonder about you sometimes, man.
Eagle, you are right. And that was one of the things I wanted to cover as well. I need to make a list of here's the things people need to know how to use the mod, and how to go about doing them in a video then. Oh, Fusion wants to talk to us. I didn't get the message when you were talking about that, Reaper. Fusion, you got it. But it can be removed. I can show you how to accidentally blow up your friends with plastic explosive. Oh boy. That's not gonna get me banned from YouTube. Update. 10-October 2019. Massive update released. See the changed log for build 286. Boom. New machines, blocks, dimensions, villagers, and more. Nothing like telling complete strangers on the internet what you smell like. Save. Okay, back to project overview. And there's what it looks like now. We've got this video. I should put Reaper's video in there too.
You could.
Yeah, but I have to look it up then, so. Oh, it's approved already! It's already released! And there's one download! Woo! Let the counter begin. That was really fast.
They might be watching the stream.
Maybe. Okay, so the wiki now. So, if I go to my GitHub page, my mod, there's actually a little wiki on there that's mostly useless, but it's better than nothing. It'll at least get people started with the very, very basics. And then we can enhance it as we need to. Maybe as I make videos, we can put them on there or something. Wiki, and click it, and it takes you to the wiki. Awesome. Anything else, guys? Oh, the images. We gotta get rid of these images. So let me fire up Minecraft now. Ooh, Below the Stone's gonna do an AMA at and then host a live stream next week to answer everyone's questions. A good idea. Okay, so what do we want to take pictures of? This page. We want a loader. You know what? We don't want this world. No. We want a brand new world that is a survival, or not survival, the normal world.
Could I give you some suggestions?
For what?
Huh?
For what?
Is this pictures for the website for...
Huh?
For the curse website?
Yeah, the images.
I would suggest downloading a map and just...
That's too much work, Creeper. I just want to show the
I know,
machines.
but you can make it look pretty.
No, I'm not a pretty guy.
I know.
I'm not one to smell like pomegranate, okay?
I mean, also if you have like a village in the background, and I would say a texture pack, but you don't really need a texture pack. Yeah, there's a village right there. Yeah, go run over the villagers.
Go run them over, okay. I just want to take pictures of the machines in the world doing things. I don't have the time to put high levels of effort into this. I just want the updated models, okay? I wonder if it supports GIFs, because having the tracks run would be cool.
I know there's a way to... It's like a really easy way to make it look like if it's a gift, but it's not. You just have the picture and you bring it down and it'll like make it so it looks like it's a GIF, but it's not.
That made no sense whatsoever. I'm sorry.
So I saw how a person made it's basically an apple that was like changing colors, and all he did was he copy and pasted the same picture underneath it. So he got the one picture and then he made the picture twice as long, like downwards, and just changed it a little so it looked like the picture was actually moving. And he literally just changed the file and the name. That was all he did.
Does anybody know what he's talking about?
I don't know either.
Okay. I don't feel so bad then. Extra large, please, because I'm blind. Those are cows. There it is. I'm too far away from it, aren't I? It doesn't take up enough of the screen. So let's redo that. Ta-ching. I guess I don't need to click on it anymore because we're here. And let's sort by modified date, and I'll put them at the top then. So this is one we want to load, and this will be bulldozer. Yeah. Watch be like, it's too big. Okay, so bulldozer's there. So let's get one of the loader then. Oh, I already got it. Over here. Let's raise this up all the way. And let's put some stuff in its inventory. Like pebble and blasted stuff. Oop. Huh. Tech, would you like those blank gauge spots on the dash of the dozer filled with something real quick? It's simple texture fix. You can do it if you want. I have to look at it again, man. I don't even remember what it looked like. Let me check it out in a second. Let's see. That's kind of a cool shot. We'll use that. Okay, and then we're gonna upload an image. Alt loader. There we go. Upload. Did not know stop.
I was looking for that video, I couldn't find it, and I give up. Never mind.
Oh, this is okay. So, Blue Boy, if you didn't hear already, this is now on CurseForge. People can start downloading it. We're just getting images for it. The version I am running is public. What other images do we have on here? We have a dump truck. Okay, so let's get the new dump truck on here. I don't know why I'm jumping in them. They don't need to be jumped in. I can fill most of the screen with it. Oops, wrong button. And image. Dump truck. Upload. And delete you. Okay, tractor's next. Wow, look at that old tractor. Oh, yeah. Yeah, the next update. So, I will probably update fairly frequently depending how fast you give us models, right? So if you give us a model for one machine, we put it in, we get it, we all are happy with it, I'll probably release an update with that new model for that new machine, right? I don't want to do this 6 months to a year of updates. I'm fine with constantly improving the machines. That's fine. Now, does that mean that I won't also work on other things? No. I'm going to plan on working on other blocks and things like that, other mechanics for the game. We are not done with this at all. So let's see, which one do we want on this? I'm going to go F5 just so we can see them easier. I think the planer might be the coolest looking one potentially, just because it's nice and big and takes up lots of the screen. That's pretty cool too. I'm probably gonna start doing lots of little bug fixes too as I realize they're there. Like when you hover over this, there's a slight gap underneath this. There shouldn't be. That highlight box is actually one tick up too much. 1 pixel up. Let's take the picture like this. Let's get a different spot too. Should we make a farm for this?
I was gonna say, why don't you update the server and
Server's up there.
oh, why don't you take pictures from the server then? Like,
I don't know. 'Cause I didn't think about it. Okay.
because there's a farm there.
Yeah, you're right. Let's do that. I don't have to build anything.
Is that okay if I take some pictures to you?
If you take pictures of what?
You know,
Uh-oh.
your mod pack.
New low base deck is 8.7 blocks long at the moment. I can extend it to 9.1. It fits some machinery better, but the bigger problem is it's still the grader. Ignore the grader's length for now. I think I need to think. Yeah, so I think the grader needs to not be bigger than it is now because it's already pretty big. There's realistic, and then there's also gameplay considerations we need to have in this, right? So it is still a game, and you still need to be able to use the thing. So making sure that it can function and is playable is important as well, is what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go creative here for this, so I can fly up. F2, no, let's get closer. F2. That's much better. Okay, and then upload image. Door. Picture on. Yeah, the picture with the wheels, Eagle. Yeah, I figured that was because it looked like he just overlaid the two things together. Or put it in like Blender together or something. Okay, so that's that one. Now the combine. Oops, F2. I'm gonna fill up my disk with all these pictures. Combine, harvester. Choose file. Wait, those wheels floating off the edge of the lowboy are one model? Yeah, two models display the same one. That makes sense to me. Okay, the drilling rig. The old drilling rig is ridiculous. Look at this thing, guys. It's just a bunch of cubes. We don't have one of those on the server, so I need to log off the server now. Thanks, Reaper. There we go. And put that there like this. Yep, you can hear it. Just want to make sure that was working. Let's put it halfway down. Like that. Go to like Quake Pro game. Time set day. Game rule, do daylight cycle false. Keep this time. Folding wheels are correct position for the Cat 24H grader, and the trailer is in real life scale. So yeah, I think I need to think on the grader a bit.
God, that thing is massive.
Talking about the drilling rig?
Yeah. Was that in before?
Yeah, it's been in for a long time.
What does it do?
It drills vertically instead of sideways into the rock. That's why we don't use it much. It goes much deeper though, so you can put a
how down does it go?
16 down. So you drill a bunch with that, 16 down, and then blast it all. You've got a lot of cleanup to do then. Nope,
how big is the radius though?
It drills one block.
No, for the explosion. If it's a 3x, it's a 1x1.
Yeah, it drills a 1x1 down, and then it's just the same explosion that you drill horizontally.
I don't know why I assume it was a 3x3.
It's weird. The bit on it is kind of big looking, but it's only a 1x1. Can you delete, please?
Can you make it drill sideways?
We might have made it drill sideways, actually. Let's see. You distract me, though, Reaper. You know that's right. keeping me off track of trying to get everything done I need to get done tonight. Thank you.
You're welcome.
No, we didn't. It's not even trying. Yeah. At one time I was thinking about making it work horizontally like this, but it doesn't. Is that what we said? Yeah, you're right. The tier 2 one. The tier 2 one will blow this away. It's got like 6 drill bits on it. Thank you, Eagle. I forgot about that. I keep forgetting about it. Yeah. So there's all new pictures for everything that was ugly before. You know, I get that these are the same old pictures, but nothing's really changed there. We need to get a continuous miner picture. That looks pretty cool. Did we say it was going to load the info too? That's cool. Okay, image. That's not how we do it. Your whole family's on your microphone, Reaper.
Oh, crap. Sorry.
That doesn't... That's not how you spell that. How do you spell that? F1. Oh, maybe that is how you spell it. Okay. Is all good. Okay. Grader. Do we want to picture the grader? We know we're going to replace the grader. It doesn't look bad. It's just we know it's going to get replaced real soon. Same with the truck, the road roller. Instead, I might go to the bleak dimension. Let's do that. Let's go back to the server for that.
What does that one do? The one before?
The grader?
Yeah.
It lets you flatten surfaces, basically.
All the dirt?
So it will take dirt off one high, so it'll knock it down. But at the same time, it will fill in areas underneath it. So it places blocks underneath it for...
How big of an area?
Dirt, sand, gravel. Those three it'll place underneath it. So it's a way of leveling the ground. How big of an area? I want to say it's like 5 wide or so.
So if I make an area that, like if I go to a desert biome and if I go down to the bottom part, and it will be able to pick up the sand if I go like to the side of it, the sand.
Oh yeah, I guess, because the sand would keep falling down on it. It's only intended to break one high. If it's too high, you can't drive into it. So I'm not sure if it would work like what you're saying or not.
Oh. I was just thinking if it might be better than the bulldozer.
This may not come across on the picture too much if I do this, but we got all brightness here. Let's get rid of that dirt. That was me derping around. And I don't have a shovel on me, yay.
Doesn't. Don't forget about the Hoyers.
The foyers?
The things that you stand and they push you.
Things you stand, they push you. You mean the stalkers in this world, or what?
No, the things that you stand on top of, and the conveyor belts.
Oh yeah, okay. There is a conveyor belt in the one picture, but there's not the tier 2 conveyor belts.
We got a machine in that war that has a...
Yeah, I don't think I bookmarked it like an idiot.
It is. That's where all the crystals are. It's like that one little road that goes that way.
Oh, boy, I know what to do.
It'd be west.
Take some pictures of the Ender. Yeah, so Blue Boy, can you hear us? I don't know if you can or not. If you can hear us, Blue Boy, it's too long. It needs to be about the same length as it is now because the other one was too long before. And by that I mean, in order to back into something to pick it up, it's going to be about impossible like that. To be that precise with it that far behind you, because you'd have to go into F5 mode and look behind you and back into the thing. You know what I mean? And I'm afraid it's going to be really hard to control that with it being that long. Because you're like another machine and a half behind that old one. And I need to see if the grader even goes on the truck. I can't remember. Let me get down here. Okay, I should be safe here, especially if I look down. Now let's go to the code real quick and go to the entities. No, the item for the machine. So items. It's not attachments. So where's the grader at? Oh, machines, there we go. Grader. It is a transportable. So if the machine's item doesn't extend this transportable, then it won't go on the back of the car, the truck, I mean. Right, so this is just machine mod item. So the crane won't go on the back of it. That's how I can tell if it's something that should display on the back of it or not. Okay, so... Oh, we kind of need it on, don't we? Oh, that's going to cause so much lag. Ah! No! I almost fell out of the world. Yeah, this is not going to work. Dang it. There's an Enderman after me. Where we got a lot of conveyors at that aren't covered by things. Yeah, back on to single player, I guess. Let's do this. We're going to try and tell a story with a picture. Set up this. Some conveyors. You got your cow farm. Oh, true. I didn't know about that. I also wanted to get the shredder in it, so I'm going to use the conveyors, the shredders, the glass if I can find it. There it is. And we're going to make a mob spawner. So let's just go up like that, right? More than long enough. Let's get a little wider. Maybe one more. Okay, and let's put some glass in. and encase the whole thing. Oh, jeez. That's gonna be fun. Let's go it from underneath. Has anybody started using the bleak glass on the server yet for mob farms?
I haven't had a chance to get on.
I was just gonna say I've been like slammingly busy lately.
Okay. I kind of figured that was the answer, though, guys. Not surprised. Like, it hasn't been a weekend or anything where it's even been dark.
And technically, we do have the ender, so there's
Right.
no point in making another mob farm. Besides,
Yeah, unless you wanted the drops or something, right?
yeah, but we can just use the other mob farm that's already made, unless someone makes that.
Okay, it didn't go dark in there. Why? I didn't update the lighting properly. Is it a corner thing?
Do conveyor belts let light pass through?
You're probably right. They're not supposed to, but I bet they are.
I was gonna say it looks a little light in there. Yep, sure does. Well, that's gonna have to get patched.
Well, it doesn't seem to be making it dark inside yet, though.
It's got to cover the whole thing.
I don't know. The underside looks pretty dark.
Yeah, the underside does.
And you got one side that's open still.
Getting there. Missed one block. There we go. Okay, so now I can get in this and change everything, because I was a derp. Hey, Jonathan. Three. That's probably more than enough. Put that there. And then we'll do these around it. Go along above this, right? Okay, that's all dark. Still all dark. And then we can just
You have mobs on?
I don't, but I'm sitting right by it, so they won't spawn. Or I do, I mean. I do have them on, but I'm too close. And if I drive away, it'll be 24 blocks, you're not going to see them. Like, in great detail, you won't see them. So let's do options, difficulty, peaceful, kill all the mobs underground, and then hard. They start respawning. There we go. So we got one, but it's not fast enough. So what I would like to do
Multiple floors.
is set up a mob spawner in here instead. Now I'm stuck! Dang it! I need to turn these things off. Just long enough for me to do it.
Well, you didn't make them be able. I was gonna say, be able to work with a lever.
They do. Just gotta place it in time. Okay, so now I need to get the command to do a mob spawner, because you can't give yourself a mob spawner of a certain type, can you? MC stacker. That'll do. And we want to do set block. And we want to do it as...
Skelly.
Right. M-O-N... Is it monster spawner? Or how does it defined? Mob spawner, maybe? M-O-B... Nope. Spawner, okay. And this is the side I'm using, by the way, guys. Spawn potentials. It will spawn...
Did you see what Eagle said?
Skeletons. Give yourself a mod spawn and then put an egg spawner in. Yeah, I thought that too. This'll work. Bloop. And then I just go bloop. Oh, really? Well, then I'll do it the other way. Give. Oh, Minecraft. Mob. Spawner. Minecraft. Spawner. It's not called that anymore. Monster egg. Mob spawner. See, that's why it didn't work. Because they changed the name of the block. Dang it. There. Yes, I do see it. The heck? Oh, that's a... That thing is just barely on there. It's like overloaded to the max almost. Okay, those are both working now. Okay, and then we need to get a spawn egg. For skeletons. Skell.
Ah, come on, make the elusive creeper spawner.
Nah, I don't want to give the impression that the mod adds that though. Immediately starts working. Oh, let's leave it open like that if it works. Oh, you can see in there. And then once it spawns, can it be possible to autofill the dump truck? What do you mean by autofill? You can just throw items at it. Ernan.
Yeah, all you gotta do is put a conveyor belt over the top of it.
Or load it with a loader, or hoppers will probably do it too. Now in this new update. You can pull out of it with hoppers for sure. Can the grader be done to that size, please? So that's what I'm saying. So like if you make the truck bed that long, it's too long for the game. And if you make the grader that big, it's probably too long to drive. Let me show you again with the grader. So this one's not as bad. And then dirt. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, so when I'm driving out over this, it's okay because it's a decent size here, but if it was much longer than this, it's going to be unwieldy to turn this thing around and stuff. And yeah, I know there was. That way you can see what's going on inside of it. Otherwise it'll just be a black image. I might adjust it and make the part where the skeletons get killed at a little further away or something. So that was that one. And then if we get the truck, the semi, and it's flatbed.
Still doesn't break grass blocks.
What are you talking about? No, I guess not. Bug for the future. Update. Thanks, sorry.
Uh-huh. I didn't even have to go on the test server for that one.
So this is what I'm talking about. Trying to get it in just the right spot to line it up. Right? Because any little movement is a ton of distance back there because it's so long. So let's get the thing down. Can't even pick it up. There we go. Let's get out of it. And it just fits. And that's probably one of the longer machines. I know that some of those trailers can actually be shortened or lengthened hydraulically. Oh, that'd be cool. Not that I want to do that in the code, though, but that'd be cool in real life. I should be careful what I'm saying, shouldn't I? Right? Let's do this.
That's how the bagger came to be.
Yeah. Yeah. That'd be cool. Well, it's working. Oh, there's light there. Stop standing there so I can place the block. Dang it. Apparently, we're shoving their head into blocks. That's cool. And it's just doing it because it's shoving them so hard. How many blocks wide does the grader place? We'll check that after I finish this.
I believe it's 5.
That sounds.
I think it's about
right.
the same as the
other machines.
bulldozer.
Yeah.
I'm not 100% on that though.
Let's see. What is going on with this guy? Oh. Let's get a block above their heads so they don't die immediately from the sun. Now can you be in there, please? Now what's wrong with you? There we go. Everyone says add trains. There's another mod for trains. Okay, spawn something, please.
Yeah, nope. You want trains? There's Traincraft, there's Railcraft, there's so many other train mods that yeah, no.
Come on, spawn something. I should have done with set block command. I can make it spawn every 2 seconds. Go, spawn it. There we go. No. Fine. That probably got it. Okay, we did all that to get a picture, guys. Yay! Was it worth it? I don't know. Images. Yeah. Conveyors. Mob shredders.
I don't know, Blue Boy. I've always been a fan of Traincraft and Railcraft.
There we go. Now I want to check these out. New files been added to. Go ahead, fire.
Immersive railroading's cool, but I don't know. It's iffy. That one's about as stable as Archimedes ships is for me.
6 downloads.
That was such a good mod.
What, Archimedes?
Jonathan.
Yeah, I wish it worked properly.
Yeah, I know.
Jonathan, it's out now. Go download it.
Right? You can wait, because you don't have to.
Okay, so let's see how wide this is officially. Da-da. We go this way and hold control. We're gonna go slow with this. I'm not even sure if it's 5 wide fire. Okay, that's probably more enough. So the ground total is 5. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. So Blue Boy, it's 5 wide. Is 5 wide.
Yeah, I figured it was.
Did that just in case he can't see the message or hear me. Okay, what else do we need pictures of? Anything? 16 foot wide. Yeah, I see it. It's just I can't always click on every link we get while I'm streaming. And it doesn't even go to, oh, down there. You talking about this one then? The 16 M3?
Yeah, I think he is.
I mean, from the visual looks of it, I'm okay with it. Just as long as it's approximately the same size as the one we got now. I wouldn't want the Ripper on the back though. We don't do the Ripper stuff on this. Huh? I have like a bot that his only purpose is to shovel snow.
We do. It's you. Get back to work, Reaper.
Yeah, Reaper. Just, I think this will do it.
Okay, you're about number 2.
Like, I'm 99% sure this will work for you, Reaper. I'm just gonna give him a little hole to sit in. Oh, I can't put it there. Okay, we gotta get out of something else, so make it a stone. Okay, Blue Boy. Catch you later. Pumpkin. Plop. Okay, he's sitting there. Now, what I didn't do is be smart about this and make this all out of a block that won't break by the bulldozer. There we go. So there's continually going to be snow placed there, right?
You're a genius.
There you go. Set him on a hopper and you're good to go. Apparently that machine runs when no one's in it.
Wouldn't that cost lag because it won't be able to keep up with the hopper?
Yeah, you're right. You shouldn't do this.
Too late.
There's 250 entities here already.
And climbing.
I picked quite a few of them up already. The skeleton. Dead. Why is he not dying? I think there's something that causes him to get stuck on something inside there, and I'm not sure what. When there's multiples, they bump each other around. They're not getting lined up or something.
I think it's a visual glitch. I think he's actually standing on top of the spawner.
Oh, it could be. Eagle, good point. This sorter probably would keep up. So let's, for science, kill him. Assuming we killed him. Ah, we didn't. Oh well.
Let him free.
Born free.
Screen. I'm assuming you mean my screen is what you mean. Right? And then we can put a crate here. Here. Oh. There. And there. Then we can put that block there. This there, that there. And then just drive this forward. And you can see that number there is climbing rapidly. When I would... Oh, what the heck did I hit? Oh, what's the button? No. Okay. My 500. 600.
What happens if someone accidentally breaks one of the crates once it's in the billions?
You're gonna have a
Then
bad
the
day.
Minecraft will explode.
Your computer will melt.
Mine or your computer?
Both.
Your computer, mine will be fine.
Actually, mine might be fine too, because it doesn't have to try and render it.
Oh.
The server might be fine. It won't like it, but it's not gonna have to try and render that and go woo when your GPU ramps up. Yeah, we just have to start it enough that 5 minutes lapse, and then the server will be fine. And then I just ban Reaper.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because we all know it would be him.
Hi,
Okay,
guys.
Jonathan, see you. What's up?
No, I was just saying hi.
Okay, so there's 3.5 thousand in there.
Is there any way to turn them into a block without having to individually take every single one out and...
No, I don't have auto crafting.
Darn it.
Nor
See you,
will I.
Jonathan.
Did we just double our production? Not sure, because I'm not sif the block would get replaced. Wait, we can make it wider! We have the technology!
I was about to say we can make it longer.
But it would go into a different crate, though. That's the problem.
Technically, shouldn't you be able to still do it if they're standing... How big is the range for the bulldozer? Doesn't it do a 3x2?
It's 2 high, 5 wide, I think.
Yep.
But the problem is it's not going to go into the same hopper, or the same crate down there. If I put more
Then we
beside
just
each other.
You can put like a 3x1 of sorters and just have it with crates around it. And just expand it, make it a 1x3.
If you did this with 2 sorters beside each other, you'd want to put the item inside of it to tell it which direction to go, so it doesn't try and put it into the other sorter. Because that'd be silly. Sorter 1 puts it into sorter 2, sorter 2 puts it back into sorter 1. Yeah, that'd go good.
Looks like it's only putting it into one.
Yes, but what I'm saying is if your direction was the other way, so we're facing south, if it was facing west and you had 2 sorters beside each other, north and south, then it would try
Will
and
it
put it
still
in the
keep
other
up?
sorter. I have no idea.
Because if it keeps up, we can put like the 2 outer ones into the middle one, and then have that middle one put it into one single one.
So that's what happens if you break it. You get 16 FPS, and there's 600 items on the ground.
And it's still dropping items.
That's the sorter spitting them out over there.
Let us know, let us know, let us know.
No joke. That's how fast it's spawning them.
Yeah, I can only imagine what your MP comes up to.
Like, you could just stand here with the crafting table. Right? And just go put slots on your hotbar empty, so they fill up first. That's the important part, right? Because it makes it easy to craft. And then you go with your mouse cursor over the first slot, you go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4.
Is it not 3 by 3?
It's a 2 by 2.
Oh, well that makes it even easier then. Then you need somewhere to craft them all, so you can't
Tech.
shift them all.
Tech, you're
Yeah.
thinking small potatoes, buddy.
What?
Open the little book to the left of the crafting grid.
Look, that's for the people that don't know how to play Minecraft.
And then download an auto clicker.
It just clicks those 2 buttons. Can I outpace it? I don't think I can. Nope. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Maybe if I had the auto clicker like you're saying.
Shift right click.
Ah!
Shift
I
click.
clicked the wrong thing! The lag!
Oh wait, that's right. It doesn't matter because you can only put 16 of each on there.
Yeah. And let's face it, I'm in creative, so when my inventory fills, those items just get deleted basically, right?
Yeah.
At this point, there would be 200 stacks on the ground already because I'm not crafting that fast. Because these things only stack up to 16.
Yeah.
Now, is that doing it that fast because there's that many of them, or would one do
More
it?
than likely.
I think you're right. I think it's probably making 20 a second, give or take. Can't remember what my cooldown was on the thing. If it does it every tick or not, but if it does it every tick, it should be 20 of them a second. Only one there? Oh, there is. Okay. Pumpkin. Oop. Oops. Okay. Okay, now. Yeah, it's still building them about as fast, isn't it? Let me clear my inventory now. Do it again. That's got to be 20 a second. As fast as that's filling my inventory. It's like 1 second for a stack and a half. Or stack and full. With one snowman. That's all you need. Wait, calculator. So let's see. 60 times 60 times 24. That's how many seconds there are in a day. Times 20. That's how many items you would get. Divide that by 16. That's how many stacks you would get. Divide that by 4. That's how many blocks you would get. Divide that by 64. That's how many
Stacks of blocks.
stacks of blocks, but I think you need to multiply that by 16. So I already divided by 16, so it's that many in one day.
Is that enough snow for you, Reaper?
Is that a period or a comma?
That's a comma.
Wait, 6,000?
6,000 stacks of blocks.
Nah, it's not enough. Oh, stacks.
Of blocks. So that's 64 in each stack.
How many stacks of items does a chest hold?
50,
Not that many.
54.
Maybe 3,000 double chests?
You'd be tired of making the blocks first, Reaper. You probably couldn't craft them that fast. Even with what we just showed, you probably couldn't craft them that fast.
I agree.
Okay. Well, What else do we need for this release? I don't know if we need anything. I guess I could put on Reddit, hey, I made it. I made my deadline.
A huge party.
Oh, I need... Okay, does anybody watching or in the channel here with me in Discord know of a good program that will screen capture to a GIF? I have stuff that makes videos, but I want a GIF so I can put it on Reddit easily.
Isn't there a GIF creator out there?
Well, I'm sure there is, but I want a good one. One that works well. I have one, but it's kind of poo because it takes it to a website and then you have to download it, and it's ridiculous that it does that. If you ask me. I just want to get a GIF of the tracks running and stuff. Anyone? Anyone at all? Herobrine's here, and he's jumping. Uh-oh.
I was just gonna say. Minecraft Steve, run!
Look at my eyes, though. I'm kind of like him, too. A little bit. Giphy the GIF maker, but you have to upload that to a website. I want an app from my computer. I use Giphy all the time when I don't have a better way. Like, I want to screen capture directly into a GIF. If nobody knows, that's fine. I know somebody that does know, so I will ask them after the stream.
An app for your phone or for your computer?
Computer. Preferably one that someone has actually used, not just Googled, so that I don't get a virus. Do you have a skin for real? That's awesome.
Is my character dead?
You just made him go to sleep. I just seen it. It hasn't taken effect yet.
Oh, there he is.
Let's see. Oh, Hairbrine's a spider too. On the stream avatars.
Looks like a widow.
Yeah. Okay, guys. I guess I don't know what else to stream about tonight because it's out. We need to come up with a list of things to do like a tutorial on to get started, the basics of the mod. And then I can make a video of it. What I would like to do is have a series of videos that are very short, like 1 to 2 minutes is a good time frame for them. What's the mod name? Techstack's Heavy Machinery mod. It's on CurseForge.
Isn't there a link in the description?
I don't know, but I'm putting one in the chat because I already got it open. There you go. If you go to that link, it'll take you right to it. You can download it from files. Right, Reaper, that's what I'm thinking. But not that kind of name. The tutorial should be
Individual machine usage?
in individual concepts, right? So one concept would be how to place down the machines. Boom, done, right? And then the next tutorial should be how to put fuel in them, how to make fuel, what specific blocks do.
Like, it's up to you, but I think you could make like a overall tutorial of how to work the machines. Just have all of that and make it like 5 minutes or 8 minutes.
So what I'm thinking of doing with these is on this, there's now the wiki link, and the wiki link takes you to this, and I'm just gonna
never mind.
Make a fermenter. It'll have a video that shows how to make the fermenter, right? That type of thing. So it'll have the text here for people that want that, but then it'll have a link to a video for each one of these steps if you want to watch the video. Some people will like that, some people won't. That's why it's important to have the text as well.
Isn't there also a way to have within the wiki page that video?
Within the wiki page, that video.
Huh?
What?
Like you go to a wiki, and let's say you want to do, I don't know, something about the bulldozer, and like a video will come in the page of the bulldozer itself.
Right. That's what I'm saying. So like there'll be the text,
But, like the video will actually show up,
and then I want to put the video right underneath it.
Oh.
Or a link to the video if I can't do the video, but I think I can.
Well, the easiest thing that we need to do is we need to start with the basic machinery and basic items you need to start with.
Right. And that's what this wiki here is about, is here's how do you get started with the very basics, right? Get corn, make a fermenter, make a distiller, get a fuel pump, place the fermenter, you know, pointing into this and that. And then, you know, you do the fermented mash, craft fuel can, craft the machine you're choosing, right? At that point, then you can get into the machinery because you've got the fuel system set up, right? But just having a little bit more than a one-line description of how to make the fermenter, right? You need these items in this specific recipe. In case somebody doesn't have JEI, because I recommend having JEI. But yeah. And then this just gets us started into the machinery, and then each machine can have its own little thing.
Can we make a flat test server world, and we'll just try to do a video like once a night or something?
You really wouldn't want to use a flat world because then you're going to run into the same problem of when you go to light the portal for the oh my gosh,
the deep dark.
Bleak.
Blah 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 baby blah blah. I can't talk. I'm gonna take a drink while you guys talk. Go ahead.
But when you create the portal for the Bleak, it's going to be deep underground. Because that's the problem that happened the last time Tech did it on a flat world.
Yep.
Yeah, but you don't make that world. You make the one below it where it has dirt for 230 blocks, but you actually change the 2 to a 1, so now it's 130 stone or something, I think. It's something with stone in it. It's like 230 some blocks of stone, but
you say you want to
stone.
You say you want to do it below the stone.
Bahaha.
Otherwise, you're below the stone. We're gonna start making jokes on that, aren't we?
We already
couldn't
did.
hear you.
You're just
Were you
catching
below
up.
the
Stupid.
Yeah, I think that one skeleton's on top of the spawner, Tech.
Go punch it.
Find out. See if he starts burning. No.
You could always put a little slab on top of it.
Stuck on a spider now, though. I don't think that slab would stop him from spawning, though. What I usually do to keep him from spawning on it is this. No, they can spawn in the air when there's a spawner there. That's what I'm saying. They don't need a block to spawn on. You can spawn them over a pit. Jeez, this thing's so fast. Did I make the tier 2 too fast for the conveyors?
Nah.
Like, you guys have been using them more than me.
Well, let's go with Tinkerbell doesn't have the best computer, but she can get to the Nether Fortress and back faster than flying.
So yes, is what I'm hearing.
I'm hearing a definite no.
I'm hearing a definite no as well.
Tech, they're tier 2s, okay?
I know.
They're supposed to be good.
I know, but at the same time, I was thinking maybe I should have made a tier 3 of them. I don't know
Where
what
are
they
we
would
gonna
be.
go for that material? We're kind of running low on materials in the Bleak dimension to use.
We are, but I also had a recommendation that there should be this mob that's kind of rare there.
I mean,
That's like a boss there.
if you want to put in this
That takes you to the new
this water
dimension
world
over
that I
what we want.
requested like ages ago, I mean,
I don't like World Jet, guys. Everybody's like immediately, I want a new dimension. Both of you.
Ooh, you know, it'd be kind of cool. Have it so it's a new mob. It's like a mob inside a mob, and once you kill that mob, that is a boss. It drops that mob, and from that mob, it'd be like a parasite.
A Reaper.
And the only way to get like more from it, it'd be putting it in another like a cow or something and let it grow in the cow.
Ew.
A Reaper. That's called a slime.
I get what he's saying. Like the
I don't know, maybe like
Star
have it
Trek
so-
thing where they crawled in your ear and controlled you, kind of thing.
Yeah. And have the cow like try to kill you, and the fecal matter from them is actually the new ore that you need to make the tier 3 stuff.
ew, no.
So every once in a while, it'll just drop.
It's the lubricant for the
mean-
conveyor.
Yeah, I think the entire stream can tell we're all just tired and worn out.
I am.
Well, I know I am. I pulled a 10-hour shift today.
Sorry,
Oh,
Fusion.
I'm still laughing from that.
Yeah, Fusion, just shut your headphones off and ignore us for a little while.
I didn't put this in the pictures. And it's not rendering again. What the heck?
Tinkerbell says it's called Aliens.
No, they're Russian nesting mobs.
Nesting doll. Oh yeah,
For
aliens.
parasites.
Oops. Get into the right mode. Push buttons till I hit the right one. Why does that not render sometimes? We fixed the machines not rendering and then had this Lytrajet belt not rendering sometime. I mean, not that you can tell as the player unless you're in F5 mode, but still. Oh well. I was gonna take a picture of it, but so much for that. Should I take pictures of like
Hey Tech,
this? What's up?
you can take the picture of one me flying into the building.
I can, but you can't see the jetpack, can you?
Oh
Yeah,
no,
look.
I thought you could.
Come on, testing server. No, you can't see it. So stream, this is what he's talking about. He was just powering into the building there for like a minute straight. Stuck on it.
Was he French kissing that corner? I can just see him totally.
I think it's more of jumping up and down, but
I can totally see him just hanging with. He's literally biting down on the corner and just hanging on. You know how they do the pole challenge where they grab from both hands and they get like their whole body vertically? No.
Fusion, you can't do that because otherwise you won't be able to wear the crash helmet to keep you from getting killed by the Elytra.
Yeah, the lighter if you're running
unless
stuff.
you're just
doesn't-
skilled on flying, unlike Tech.
If you want to fly into things and blow stuff up, you can just use this.
Or that. We still haven't made that yet.
We don't have a recipe for that still.
We do, but there's no way to craft it.
There's a chopper, what's called. Yeah, there's no recipe. We didn't have a blueprint for it, do we? Nope. Well, maybe that should be in the next
At
one.
one point, there was a recipe for the helicopter, but that took aluminum ingots, and you couldn't make aluminum ingots.
Right, because there's no aluminum.
Yeah,
Exactly.
I don't want to add aluminum again. Yeah.
So helicopter to creative only
We'll add
thing right now.
titanium.
Fusion.
How's that?
Okay, we see that picture. That's what I'm talking about. But with his teeth, he's doing that challenge.
What? Oh.
I was thinking more like reading between the lines with cliffhanger.
Oh, the cliffhanger movie?
Yeah, can't hang on much longer. That part.
Gotcha.
I'm just like missing all the stars of this stream, aren't I? Hey, finally got one.
Okay, guys, I've said I'm done for a while now. I'm actually done. Good night, guys. I need to get to bed. Bye. Download the
Hey,
mod,
everyone.
tell your friends, blah, blah, blah.